Guys, you've been asking me for the sell version of the one candlestick formation or one candlestick strategy that I have been posting on here. Most of you have understood the strategy and have used the strategy to your advantage, and you've given me feedback how the strategy has helped you out. But you have also requested me, I've gotten the most common request of doing this strategy on a sell side. I've been showing you examples for buys, but today I'll show you just a quick example on how you can use this in a selling market. But before I go any further, I am recording a really detailed full course of the one candlestick strategy. That video will be available next week. So keep your eye on the channel, subscribe if you've not subscribed, and turn on notifications so that you can get notified when I finish posting that video. So without wasting time, let me take you onto the charts and I'll show you the sell side of the one candlestick strategy. Let's go on to the charts now, guys. Here on the silver chart, as you can see, this is silver. Okay, we are using silver for this demonstration today. You guys asked me to do for you the sell side of this one candlestick strategy, and so this is just the illustration just to refresh. This is the previous day's candle, bearish candle. Okay, you want to only take trades in between the high of the bearish candle and the close of the bearish candle, the previous bearish candle, okay, which I call the purple zone. So within this purple zone is where you want to take sell trades for the next day. This candle here I've drawn out here an illustration of is a candle for the current day, which is printing. All right, so most of you were asking me, how do you enter on a sell side? This is how you enter on the sell side. You enter on the sell side within this week here. Okay, you see this week, you enter within this week. Yes, the price of the item can drop below the red close line as long as it has not broken the low, but it is within between the close and the low, but goes back up into the purple zone. You can still look for entries within the purple zone. Okay, so we are basically trading within this week. So this is on a daily chart. So I'm going to show you that on the charts now without wasting so much time, because this is a quick video. Just wanted you guys to see how you can use this on the sell side. Okay, so we are going to go on the charts here, live chart on silver, right? I'm calling this on a weekend just to illustrate to you what happened here. Okay, so we can see like here, we can draw a line on that high of that candle, previous day candle. This is a daily chart. Then you can draw a line on its low, okay, and also draw a line at its close. Okay, so the red line is the close of this previous day's candle. These two black lines are the high and low. Okay, so let me just zoom in so that you can see that area properly. Okay, let me zoom in. You can see that we have this at the low, okay, and we have this at the high of that candle, and then the red line is at the close. Okay, it's at its close. You just make it accurate. Okay, then what you do, you draw a purple zone between the high, okay, and the low, which is, I mean, the high and the close, which is that red line. All right, after you have done this, you go now, before this candle here prints, before this daily candle prints, go down to the 5-minute chart. You can use the 5-minute chart, you can use the 15 minutes chart. I want to show you how you can enter this trade. Now this purple zone, it's not accurate to draw it on a daily chart, so I use an indicator called the open and close line like this. Those indicators actually show me where the day closed, and I also use the London session and New York session. So this is the day we are talking about. So we are going to move the purple zone forward here. Okay, here you see this green line. Let me just make zoom in so that you guys can see. You see where the green lines are, that is where the previous day closed, and that is where the day where we are going to trade open. So that was that day's close. Now we are going to look for entries only within the purple zone. Okay, on the 5-minute chart you can get so many entries. You can get multiple entries on the 5-minute chart. Okay, as we can see here, the price pulls down but does not break this black low line. Okay, and it pushes back up into the purple zone. Now where do you get your entries? On the 5-minute chart you can get multiple entries. Like now here we had this bearish engulfing candle right here. Okay, so I know that some of us will take this trade and put our stop loss right here. Okay, but then we would be stopped out after the price has gone close to take profit. Okay, take profit is usually 1 to 2. You can see that we are stopped out here if we didn't trail this trade. If you were trailing or securing some profit, you'd make some money, but if you were not trailing, then this would stop you out. But that does not stop you from looking for more entries within the purple zone. There is no strategy that is 100% accurate. Okay, it will always have a percentage win rate and losing rate. Okay, so here you wait for another entry within the purple zone. As you can see here, we get momentum in the market. Now I know some of you say I would not be confident to take a trade here or after this bearish candles close right here. Some people would be confident to take this trade and take their 1 to 2 right here. Okay, some would be confident, but others wouldn't be confident enough to take this trade. So you can also employ a technique called waiting for market structure shift, whereby you will see that there is a break of that structure right there. Okay, I don't know if you guys are seeing this, that there is a high, a higher low, a higher high, a higher low, and then equal highs, and then a low here is broken. This low is broken here on the 5-minute chart. The market pushes up and creates a small lower high and then pushes lower. Hope you guys have seen that. That's the market structure shift. After the market structure has shifted, you can be confident to take your trade on this bearish engulfing candle right here. So you can see how you can apply different entry techniques for you to get your entry. You can place your stop loss above that previous structure and then target 1 to 2 like this. Okay, so you can see that that would be another entry. If you missed this entry here, okay, if you missed this entry, you could also enter here at this bearish engulfing here. So you can see on the 5-minute chart that you have multiple ways on multiple entries. You can put your stop loss here and then target a 1 to 2. You can see here you get multiple entries. So that is how you enter this trade on a selling side. That's how you use the 1 candlestick strategy on a selling side of the market. I hope this is made something clear to you guys. I hope you've become more aware, or you've understood this much better. Let me make this brighter so that you guys can see the entries clearly. You can see. All right, so that is how you'd use this strategy if you were selling the market. Okay, so go and practice this, backtest this on your free time or in your free time. Okay, and let me know in the comment section if this has answered you, for those of you who were asking me how to use this on the sell side of the market. Remember guys, thank you for your support. Do leave a like on the video if you liked it, if you've gotten value. Subscribe to the channel and also join the channel membership guys. Click the links in the description down below and go and support me in some of those ventures. Thank you guys. Until next time, peace and out.